You say sorry to B. Hmm? You gonna say sorry? Are you gonna say sorry to B? He's right behind you. Turn around. Go say sorry to B. Nice kiss. Good boy, Bowie. Come on, where? Bowie's out here, but I'm watching. I'm watching. See, I guess this is how it happens. B goes after Bowie. Boo Boo, you're eating your veggies. B's walking on top of Boo Boo's hospital bed. So I just have some sprouted seeds, carrots, and tomato, blueberry, orange. Going for the blueberry. There's millet, some foot toys, a low perch. He was sleeping on the top end of that perch last night. And his Harrison's pellets, some powdered mash, and the Abba green, or the Abba seeds, 1600 I believe it is. What you doing, B? Hi, Hazel. How are you? You can see Boo Boo from here, right? Yes. You're such a funny girl. You little sweetie.